cable because it like look how fucked it is.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
And also, what's pissing me off is that this is like a whatever the fucking American style. I want the metric shit on here. I want the millimeters, and that one's
Yeah, the European.
yeah, yeah. This is what happens, bro, when you fucking film my shit.
It's so good. This is good content.
Yeah. That'd be pretty cool if we did that. Fix the batteries so the car fucking turns on every time. That'd be pretty hard. Also, oh yeah, we gotta change the fucking CV axles in this thing too, because it will not do a burnout anymore. Like these things are fucking smoked.
They clink and clank.
Yeah, they more fucking like click. If you fucking drop the clutch in it, it goes like click, 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 click. And like especially when you go around corners and shit. Yeah, so that's kind of my plan. I think this thing's like welded on there at this point. We need like a little pry thing, which, see, this is the problem. The garage is not finished. Dude, what is wrong with this one? Yeah, I mean, if we just hit it, you know.
Is it loose?
Yeah. You see how fucking like corroded it is? See,
Yeah,
I have
Chevy
it.
mechanic's gonna lose his mind when he sees how you.
Oh, what if we just pry it from the bottom like this?
No, you usually don't want to do that.
Well, the battery's kind of fucked, so like.
You're not wrong.
God damn, bro.
Do you have a screwdriver?
Yeah, we need a screwdriver. Do I have one? What the fuck happened to the 12 mil? Oh, it's right. Yeah. Oh wow, that's fucking gross. These are fucking so disgusting.
Hey, you got one off.
That's how you get cancer right here.
What kind of cancer?
The good kind. Oh, ow, it kind of burns my skin a little bit.
Look over your shoulder.
Look over, yeah. Get in there. Okay, now.
Nice. Cable deleted.
Now we take this to the fucking O'Reillys. They're gonna love this. Oh, look at all the treats in there.
Mystery bolts.
Oh, is there mystery bolts in here? What is it? Oh, that's a stick. Nice. At least the tray's not like rusted to fuck.
Mission successful.
Now we grab this, and why don't we just fucking like yank this shit off or something? I don't know. Just twist it off. I mean, we definitely need a new one of these. So.
All right, so
more than I would like to say.
We have the battery out of the car now.
Oh yeah.
And we are now removing the positive terminal.
Well, we should probably cinch this down.
Very nice.
Because it's moving, and now it's still moving. God, this
Oh,
thing's...
the backside's moving.
It's fucked, dude. It's...
Okay, let's get... Well, we can get something on there. We could put maybe this on there.
Why don't we just hammer it down?
I think if you... Yeah, maybe...
Because, see, look, if you just hammer it down right there,
Yeah,
no.
nice. What you're saying.
Then she's fucking locked in.
So we're having a problem right now where this is rotating.
Okay.
Is it still rotating?
Yeah, it is.
Here, let's do this. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, this looks terrible.
Wow, you got it off.
No, yeah, I just wiggled it off.
Perfect. Look, we have our old battery, and we got our new batteries.
No, those are not new.
These are the new to this car batteries.
New to the car, yeah, those are both dead. And this one, I don't know if it's the connect. I think the connection's fucked, but I don't think we're gonna go pick up new connections today. I think we're just gonna try to run it as is. It's really good for the car. It loves it.
It loves it.
Yeah. When my dad saw this, he was very upset. He was like, "What the fuck? Why don't you take care of your car?"
What'd you say?
It's all right.
No, it's okay.
And then we'll put this in there like that, maybe. I'm a mechanic.
He's a mechanic.
Mechanic. I just really fucking torque her down in there. Oh yeah, that's not going nowhere. And then, well, we got my little things here. And then one of these. This. Oh yeah. I bet once this comes off, it's gonna definitely go back on.
100%.
Oh, it's definitely not happy about that at all. Oh, it's so pissed. The bolt's even fucking sideways. How did that? I've changed this battery before. I don't know how I fucking. It's so fucked. It's not coming off. I don't have any. What is it? The SAE or whatever. All I have is metric. I don't have the. What is the United States one called? The Freedom one. I don't have the Freedom. I don't have Freedom tools.
Oh, is it gonna start?
You gotta move around a little bit.
Move it around a little bit?
Yeah. My truck fucking no. Oh, it's going. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this, like I said,
Those all going to recycling?
yeah, definitely all getting recycled. We're gonna ignore the mail or whatever that's in here. This is truck log. Here's another truck log. I don't think I need that.
Wow. Star Wars fan?
Yeah, I like stealing my girl's cups, which she'll be super happy to have those back. Like I said, it's only been one night. Let me just try to get these. Oh, you should have kept it, man, where it said, oh, are you filming right now?
Yeah, no.
It's like a candid moment, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting the seats back in.
Yeah, how's that going?
It's good, man.
Wow, this thing looks a lot cleaner.
I know. And the mats are chilling on the other car, and those will go back in here. And I think this thing's fucking. So she's fucking.
Very nice.
Yeah, she loves it. There we go. And then yeah, I gotta fix this little. This thing needs to be fucking put together properly.
I think you need a new bottle of Crown. It's looking a little sun faded.
Yeah, well, it wasn't gonna be orange. It's gonna be purple. I have a purple one, and this thing needs to be tightened. It's just a mock-up, and I do kind of like it. Just like, ooh.
Very good, very good.
Very good, very good. Yep, that's
Now onto the Accord, yeah?